In this video, let us solve a question from CSIR NET December 2024. We are given the energy of two Ising spins. Spins can have values plus or minus 1 by 2. Their energy is given to be S1 S2 plus S1 plus S2. Now at temperature T, the probability that both spins take the value minus 1 by 2 is 16 times the probability that both take the value plus 1 by 2. At the same temperature, what is the probability that the spins take opposite values? So first of all, let us write the possible configurations. The first configuration is both spins having value plus 1 by 2. S1 is plus 1 by 2, S2 is also plus 1 by 2. The energy corresponding to this state is 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. We are using this formula for energy. This is coming out to be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1, which is 5 by 4. So this is E plus plus. When both the spins are plus half, we are getting energy to be equal to 5 by 4. Now the second configuration that we can have is S1 is equal to plus 1 by 2, S2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. In this case, energy is given by 1 by 2 times minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is equal to plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancels. This is minus 1 by 4. So this is the energy corresponding to S1 is equal to plus 1 by 2 and S2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. E plus minus. The third configuration is S1 is equal to minus 1 by 2, S2 is equal to plus 1 by 2. In this case, we have energy is equal to minus 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is equal to again minus 1 by 4. Let us denote this by E minus plus. Now finally, the configuration in which both the spins are minus 1 by 2. In this case, we have energy is equal to minus 1 by 2 times minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Let us denote this by E minus minus. Now we have found the configurations. Now probability of occupying nth state at temperature T, Pn, is given by e raised to minus beta En divided by Z, where Z is the partition function. Therefore probability of both the spins being plus half is equal to e raised to minus beta E plus plus divided by Z. This is equal to e raised to minus beta. What is E plus plus? E plus plus is equal to 5 by 4. E raised to minus beta 5 by 4 divided by Z. Now probability of both spins taking the value minus 1 by 2, P minus minus, this is equal to e raised to minus beta E minus minus divided by Z, which is equal to e raised to minus beta. What is E minus minus? E minus minus is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 divided by Z. This is e raised to 3 by 4 beta divided by Z. Now we are given in the question that both spin taking the value minus 1 by 2. Probability that both spins take the value minus 1 by 2 is 16 times the probability that both take the value plus 1 by 2. So what we are given? We are given P minus minus, probability of both spins taking the value minus 1 by 2. This is 16 times probability of both spin taking values plus 1 by 2, which means from equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 we have e raised to 3 beta by 4 divided by z is equal to 16 times e raised to minus 5 by 4 beta divided by z. This is coming from equations 1 to 3. Z gets cancelled. From here we can write, if we take this exponential to the other side, we will get e raised to 3 beta by 4 times e raised to 5 beta by 4. When we take to the other side, minus will become plus in the exponential. This is equal to 16. From here we can say e raised to 3 beta by 4 plus 5 beta by 4 is equal to 16, which gives e raised to 2 beta is equal to 16. 2 beta is equal to ln 16. ln 16 can be written as ln 2 raised to 4. From here beta is equal to ln 4 times ln 2 divided by 2, which is 2 ln 2. So we have found the value of beta from the given information. Beta is coming out to be equal to 2 ln 2. Now we are asked, what is the probability that the spins take opposite values? Probability of spin taking opposite values will be given by probability of spin 1 is equal to plus 1 by 2 and spin 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus probability of spin 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 and spin 2 is equal to plus 1 by 2. So if we add these two probabilities, we will get the probability that the spin takes opposite values. Now P plus minus, this will be equal to P minus plus. Why is that? Because the Boltzmann factor e raised to minus beta e plus minus is equal to e raised to minus beta e minus plus. E plus minus is equal to e minus plus. You can see here that e plus minus is minus 1 by 4, e minus plus is minus 1 by 4. Since both are equal, their exponentials e raised to minus beta e plus minus will be equal to e raised to minus beta e minus plus, and therefore their probabilities will also be equal. So we can find P plus minus and then we can multiply by 2, then we will get the total probability of spins having opposite values. So P plus minus, this is given by e raised to minus beta e plus minus divided by z. Z is partition function. It is summation over r e raised to minus beta e r. You have to do the summation over all states. Therefore this is equal to e raised to minus beta. What is e plus minus? E plus minus is equal to e plus minus is minus 1 by 4 divided by, let us do the summation for partition function, e raised to minus beta e plus plus is 5 by 4 plus 2 times e raised to minus beta 1 by 4, not 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. We have two configurations with energy minus 1 by 4. Therefore we are multiplying by a factor 2 here, and we have a configuration in which energy is minus 3 by 4. Therefore this is equal to e raised to beta by 4 divided by e raised to minus 5 by 4 beta plus 2 times e raised to beta by 4 plus e raised to 3 beta by 4. Let us find each of these terms and then we will substitute back. E raised to beta by 4. This is equal to e raised to, what is the value of beta? Beta is equal to 2 ln 2. 2 ln 2 divided by 4. This is equal to e raised to ln 2 by 2, which is equal to e raised to ln 2 raised to 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 2, which is root 2. Now let us find e raised to minus 5 by 4 beta. E raised to minus 5 by 4 beta. This is equal to e raised to minus 5 by 4 2 ln 2, which is equal to e raised to minus 5 ln 2 by 2, which is equal to e raised to ln 2 raised to minus 5 by 2. This is equal to 2 raised to minus 5 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 5 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 5 is 32. 32 raised to 1 by 2, which is under root. This is 1 by 4 root 2. Now let us find e raised to 3 beta by 4. E raised to 3 beta by 4. This is equal to e raised to 3 by 4 2 ln 2, which is equal to e raised to 3 ln 2 by 2. This is equal to e raised to ln 2 raised to 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 3 by 2. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Under root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. Now let us substitute A, B is this equation, and C in the equation for P plus minus. Let us say this is equation I. Put A, B, C in I. Then we will get P plus minus is equal to e raised to beta by 4 is root 2 divided by e raised to minus 5 by 4 beta is 1 by 4 root 2. 1 by 4 root 2 plus 2 times e raised to beta by 4. 2 times e raised to beta by 4 is root 2 plus e raised to 3 beta by 4, which is equal to 2 root 2. Therefore this is coming out to be equal to root 2 divided by 1 by 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2. This is equal to root 2 divided by 1 plus 32 divided by 4 root 2, which is equal to root 2 times, we can take this 2 above, 4 root 2 divided by 33. This is equal to P plus minus is equal to 4 into root 2 into root 2. This is 8 divided by 33. Now this is equal to P minus plus, both are same. Therefore total probability is equal to P plus minus plus P minus plus, which is equal to 16 by 33. Therefore, the probability that spin takes opposite values is equal to 16 by 33. Option 4 is the correct answer here.